Welcome to our discussion on real estate investing versus other investment options. In this module, we'll explore how real estate stacks up against various investment alternatives and why it's a unique and compelling choice for investors. Comparison with stock market investing. Let's begin by comparing real estate investing to the stock market. Real estate involves physical assets, like properties, while the stock market entails ownership in companies. Unlike the often volatile stock market, real estate investments typically offer more stability. Plus, they often provide regular rental income, making them an attractive choice for income-focused investors. Comparison with bond investments. Now, let's contrast real estate with bond investments. Bonds are generally considered lower risk due to their fixed interest payments. Real estate, on the other hand, can provide higher returns but also comes with greater potential for volatility. Additionally, bonds may lack the potential for property appreciation that real estate offers. Comparison with other alternative investments. Moving on to alternative investments, real estate stands out. It's a tangible asset, giving you more control compared to some alternatives like art, gold, or cryptocurrencies. While alternative investments have their merits, they often lack the income generation potential of real estate. Keep in mind that the diversification benefits of alternative investments may differ from real estate. Evaluating risk and return characteristics of real estate. When it comes to real estate, it's crucial to understand its risk-return profile. Real estate offers a balanced mix of potential returns and risks. These risks include market fluctuations, property management challenges, and financing risks. Successful real estate investing requires careful evaluation and risk management. Thank you for exploring the comparisons between real estate investing and other options with us. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by clicking the like button. Feel free to share this knowledge with others who may benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on real estate investing. We look forward to having you as a part of our community.